Welcome, my friends. I invite you to pause for just a moment and be fully present here with me. Take a moment, close your eyes, breathe in deeply, and let it out slowly. Feel the air move in and out, and notice how your body softens with each breath. In a world that never stops, even a single breath can feel like a rare gift. The pace of life is relentless, and moments of quiet are hard to find. Our lives are filled with constant noise, phones buzzing, minds racing, endless to-do lists. It can feel like there's never a break. We're always connected, yet often disconnected from ourselves. The world demands our attention, pulling us in every direction. The pressure to keep up can be overwhelming. Sometimes it feels like we're running a race with no finish line. We search for peace in distractions, scrolling, shopping, streaming, but true calm comes from within. Lasting peace isn't found in the next notification or episode. Imagine a secret garden inside your mind, a place where the world's noise fades away. This is a space just for you, where you can rest and recharge. You hold the key to this inner sanctuary. No one else can open the door for you. Visualization meditation is that key, a gentle way to unlock your own peace. It's a practice that anyone can try, no matter your experience. It's about using your imagination to create a moment of stillness right now. You can visit this peaceful place whenever you need it. Join me on a journey inward. Together, we'll explore the power of your mind to create calm and clarity. We'll learn to use the power of your mind to find calm, no matter what's happening outside. This is your time to reconnect with yourself. No special tools needed, just your willingness and a few quiet moments. All you need is an open mind and a little patience with yourself. Let's discover how to build inner peace, one beautiful thought at a time. Each step you take brings you closer to a calmer, more centered you. Even in a world that never stops, you can find your stillness. The world may be busy, but your mind can be a place of rest. Are you ready to begin? Let's take this first step together. Take another deep breath. Feel the calm begin to grow inside you. Let's start this journey together. What is visualization meditation? Think of it as a purposeful daydream. You use your imagination to create a vivid mental image of a peaceful place. Instead of letting your mind wander to worries, you guide it to calm. You're the director and the main character. Every detail is yours to choose. This isn't about emptying your mind, but filling it with something beautiful. When you imagine peace, your body responds, your heart rate slows, your muscles relax. Regular practice trains your brain to focus and builds resilience. It's like planting flowers in your mental garden, crowding out the weeds of stress. The more you practice, the more your inner sanctuary grows. You're creating a private retreat you can visit anytime you need peace. Ready to try? Let's walk through your first visualization together step by step. First, find a comfortable, quiet spot, somewhere you feel safe and undisturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and take 3 slow, deep breaths, letting each inhale fill your lungs and each exhale release any tension. With every exhale, imagine tension melting away from your body, leaving you lighter and more relaxed. Now picture yourself on a serene beach, a place that feels peaceful and safe. See the endless blue ocean stretching out before you, the clear sky above, and the soft sand beneath you. Are you sitting on a towel, or feeling the sand between your toes? Maybe you're lying back, gazing at the sky. It's your choice, make it your own. Make the image as vivid as you can, but don't worry about perfection. Just let your mind wander and explore. Add sound. The gentle waves rolling in, the soft breeze, distant seagulls calling overhead. Feel the sun's warmth on your skin, the cool breeze brushing past, and the sand under your feet or hands. Smell the salty air, maybe even a hint of tropical flowers or fresh seaweed carried by the wind. Let yourself soak in this peaceful place, allowing your mind and body to fully relax. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do right now. Rest here as long as you like, enjoying the calm and comfort of your sanctuary. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the ground beneath you. Gently open your eyes, returning to the present moment. You've just completed your first visualization journey. Well done. Remember, you can return to this peaceful place in your mind anytime you need a break or a moment of calm. Each visit makes it easier to find peace, and each time you return, you'll notice it feels more familiar and comforting. Practice often and watch your inner calm and sense of well-being grow stronger. This is your personal sanctuary, a place you can always come back to for rest, healing, and peace. Once you're comfortable, try going deeper. Visualize your future self. See yourself confident, joyful, at peace. Feel those emotions now. Let them guide your actions today. Try a digital detox visualization. Picture threads connecting you to your devices. Gently unplug each one, feeling lighter and freer. Imagine a bubble of calm energy around you, blocking out digital noise. Use technology mindfully. Guided visualization apps can support your practice. Or visualize healing light, a warm glow in your chest expanding with each breath. Guide this light to any part of you that needs care. Let it soothe and heal. These techniques deepen your practice and nurture self-compassion. Explore and find what works best for you. In 2025, we're more connected and more overwhelmed than ever. Information overload keeps our minds on high alert. Visualization is a way to reclaim your focus and reset your nervous system. It reconnects you with nature and your own body, even in a digital world. This creative act nurtures your imagination and well-being. In a world obsessed with productivity, choosing peace is a quiet rebellion. Your inner calm is worth protecting. Your peaceful place is yours alone. It could be a beach, a mountain cabin, a sunlit garden, or a cherished memory. The only rule, it must bring you comfort and joy. Fill it with sights, sounds, and scents that soothe you. Maybe it's your grandmother's kitchen, a quiet library, or a place from your dreams. The more personal and detailed, the more powerful your sanctuary becomes. Spend time imagining it. Write down the details if you like. This is an act of self-love, building a safe space within. Return to it whenever you need rest or reassurance. You are the architect of your own peace. The journey to inner peace starts with a single step, the decision to try. It's about making a conscious choice to seek tranquility amidst the chaos. The power to find calm is already inside you, waiting to be discovered and embraced. Visualization meditation is your tool to access it. Picture your serene place vividly. Don't worry if your mind wanders, gently guide it back. It's all part of the process. Begin today, just 5 minutes is enough to start. Consistency is key. Visit your peaceful place. Give yourself this gift. It's a sanctuary you can return to anytime. You are worthy of calm and centeredness. Believe in your ability to find peace. This practice reminds you, you create your inner world. Nurture it with care. While you can't control everything outside, you can choose your response. Your inner peace is your power. Build your garden of peace, and let it support you through life's ups and downs. It's a lifelong journey. Share your experience, normalize caring for your mind, encourage others to find their peace. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and step into your sanctuary. It's always there for you. The power is and always has been within you. Embrace it fully.